right, Mike, over here with your line 6 lowdown 150. One of the problems that I isolated, one of them, and troubleshooting can continue once this is up, is this 3.3 volt supply via this LM317 regulator. Pardon me. What I found was one of the diodes in your little chip here was shorted, this guy right there. And this is the actual D1 package. Where's it at? This little guy right there. I replaced it with two discrete components. I can't even see, pardon me. These guys. Look at the difference in size. It's unbelievable. I also found a faulty cap here, C37, and this is how it shakes out. You can see where D1 was residing. You can see those 3 solder pads there. I replaced it with these 2 discrete components. I need to clean up some of the solder flux there and get rid of my little markings on a board that help me to index the anode and cathode end of these diodes. So that's where we are. And then on the other side of the board, you can see that new cap, that little guy right here. So I will give you an update soon. Bye. And this is her all cleaned up. The leads actually, let me find something to point with. The desk is a mess. The leads of the diode body here are actually going into the through hole there. It's not just tack soldered on there. That's actually one of the ends of the cap. I just left that there for some additional stability just in case, even though it shouldn't go anywhere. And the same thing with these guys. So we'll see what happens from this point. But things are certainly getting more interesting, I'd say.